Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your trainer Syeda Summera and I'm here again from the platform of Edusphere Resource Center. Today I'm here again with another exciting grammar topic. So today, as you can already see that's written on the whiteboard, today we're going to talk about the conditional sentences. We all are familiar with the conditional sentences and we also use them in everyday life, but at times just because of the rule or the things or maybe the usage, we really find them a bit tricky and we couldn't communicate in that way. So let's decode that what are some of the hacks to learn conditional sentences, and I would really try my level best to teach you in a very simple way. So let's get started. If we talk about the conditional sentence, so conditional sentence is such a sentence that we call it agar in Urdu, where we put a condition कि अगर ऐसा हो या अगर ऐसा होता. So on the basis of the categories and their usage, we categorize them in 4 types. The first one is zero conditional. Then we have first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional, right? So today I've just tried to make you learn this conditional sentence in a very simple way. The first conditional that I call zero conditional. So zero conditional, they are used to talk about the facts or the real situations. And the formula that they follow, the if clause, it is written in simple present, and the main clause is also written in simple present. For example, if I say that if I boil ice, so what will happen? It melts. So at times we say that it is cause and its effect or its consequence relationship, that it conditional sentence tells us about the consequence of a thing. Like if I boil ice, so it melts. Simple. Then let's move towards the first conditional. First conditional is used to talk about real situation. The situation that are real in the present or they can be real in the future. And if we take a look at the sentence structure, so it again follows if clause with the present tense, simple present, and the main clause with will plus first form. For example, if it rains, simple present. So what will be the consequence? I will be absent. Right? So this is known as the first conditional that is used to talk about the real situations that are real in the present or real in the future. Then we have second conditional. If I talk about the second and the third conditional, so second and the third conditional, they both are used to talk about hypothetical and unreal situations. Second conditional talks about hypothetical situation, and most of the time we say that wish in the past or in present. But these situations are untrue. They are hypothetical, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि फर्जी situation है जो real नहीं हो सकती. And the sentence structure that we follow is with the simple past, we write the if clause with the simple past, and the consequence or the main clause with would plus first form of were. For example, if I were rich, कि अगर मैं अमीर होता या होती तो क्या consequence होता? I would buy house, I would give money to the poor. There can be many possible situations, right? So second conditional talk about our wish or any hypothetical situation that is untrue in the present and untrue in the past as well. Then we have third conditional, and third conditional is most of the time used to talk about the regrets, pachtawa, right? Third conditional, it uses the sentence structure past perfect. The if clause will be in past perfect and the main clause will be written with would have plus third form, and we call it past participle. For say, if I had studied, कि अगर मैंने पढ़ा होता तो क्या होता? I would have passed the exam. अगर मैंने पढ़ा होता तो मैंने एग्जाम पास कर लिया होता, right? So these are the four conditional in front of you, starting from the zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Zero conditional is used to talk about the factual and the real situation, and the if clause and the main clause, they both are written in the present tense. If we talk about the first conditional, so it is used to talk about the real situation, reality, and it follows the sentence structure. If clause is written in the present and consequence will be written in the future, simple future tense. Second conditional uses simple past. If clause is written in the simple past and the consequence will be written with would plus first form. And we all know that would is also used as the modal verb of the past. Then we have the third conditional, which is used to talk about the regrets. Like agar us time pe aisa hota, and we also say that we can talk about hypothetical past, or we have this ability that we can change our past or speak about our past in a different way. So that's all about today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. See you all again with another exciting topic and another grammar lesson. Till then, take care and keep learning with Edusphere. Thank you so much.